Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we got the Ford GSX in front of me. I started cleaning this engine this morning, and I decided I'm gonna, since it's already here, I'm gonna get rid of these freeze plugs and install new ones. There's a bunch of videos around why you should do it, and then how to do it. So I was like, let me make my own, and so I can clean these water galleys a little bit better, because they're nasty. Let me just show you. It has all kind of rust everywhere. So since I'm rebuilding the engine, might as well just do everything right. So it's pretty simple, guys. There's a bunch of ways to do it. Some people like to drill it, and then they tap it, and then they pull the bolt out, and then use the put the bolt in and use the slide hammer to pull it out. You can do it that way. You can use a screwdriver, and you can tap it in, and it would just either fall in, and you can cut it and get it out. But the way I do it, I use the hammer and the chisel, and I just hit one side right here. Like so. It sinks in, one side sinks in, the other side gets exposed, and then we can just pull this one out, and as you can see, it's all nasty. And if I zoom in right here, let me see if I can get the flashlight. You can see it's all nasty, and it needs to be cleaned right there. Look at that. So yeah, that's a pretty much how you do it, guys. Straightforward, nothing special, no special tools needed. You can use the screwdriver just like I did use the chisel. Knock it in. Be careful, because not all the engines are the same, and sometimes this freeze plug, when you knock it, if you knock it in, it will slide in the galley, and you're gonna have trouble taking it out. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Finally starting the build on this Ford G63. Super excited. And yeah, again, guys, please comment down below if you have any kind of questions, if you would like me to help you with something. And of course, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Laters.